on the bus stop. Learn with First. Learn with First. First, first, first.
First, your child's app for the complete learning experience. Numbers, letters, colors, and more. Dozens of games, videos, and activities are all waiting for your little one to learn and enjoy. First, the complete learning experience. Search for BF100 on the app stores.
Download First.
He's Harry the bunny. He loves to be funny and play every morning when everything's sunny. When the morning comes to stay, he loves to play all day. He's the sunniest bunny. It's Harry the bunny.
I'm the funniest, sunniest.
Harry the bunny. He's Harry the bunny.
Hello, little ones. I'm Harry the bunny. Look. A cat. Cats say meow. 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 Ooh, a fluffy tail. Very fluffy. And long whiskers. That tickles. Cats say meow, and they purr. Oh. Do you think Kitty wants a toy? Oh, here's a toy for you, Kitty. Meow. Meow. She likes it. Meow. Meow. Purr. 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 Say bye-bye, Harry the bunny. Bye-bye, funny bunnies.